Today we'll be talking about robots in the workplace. The workplace has become quite advanced over the years when it comes to the tools and technology that certain companies are now using. Robotic technology has been created to perform jobs that a human would not be able to complete themselves. This type of technology has been placed into 5 categories based on the job type and the robot that would be needed to complete these tasks. Fields that use robotic technology are the medical field, factory and industry, hospitality, and the military. The future of robotic technology would be AI, which is short for artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and ergonomic improvements. The 5 Ds in robotics, which are dull, dirty, dangerous, dexterous, and domestic. When getting into these, dull robots are robots that are used to perform tasks that are boring and tend to do the same thing over and over again. For an example of that, that would be a car manufacturer that is doing the same job over and over again, such as pressing metal together or packaging boxes. Dirty robots tend to do jobs that are dirty, sometimes dangerous, such as inhaling fumes, painting cars, and also mining things out of the ground. Dangerous robots. Dangerous robots, these are robots that are used to defuse bombs. They are also used to do such jobs as underground welding, and so on and so forth. They handle nuclear plants and other dangerous jobs that would otherwise take human life. Dexterous robots are used for precision with their arms and that can move small tools, and these are mainly used in hospital jobs on humans because of their perfect precision. Domestic robots are robots that are used for cleaning, such as the Roomba, automatic lawnmowers, and these are used to help humans without having to physically do it themselves. Da Vinci's surgical system. This was the first robotic assistant to really gain attention in the medical field. The first robotic medical assistant to be launched, and it was launched in 1999. The first medical robot assistant to become FDA approved, it was approved in 2000. It is currently a product that has done over 6 million surgeries and continues to be updated to better software. This would be an example of a dexterous robot. Industrial robotics. It was founded by Yakisawa Motoman Robotics. It was founded in 1989. The company was founded in the United States. More than 3,000 Motoman robots are currently in the field. It has 10 million servos, 18 million inverted drives installed globally. Yakisawa provides almost all industry robotic applications. This would be an example of, it could either go under dangerous or a dull robot. For instance, it does arc welding, assembly, which I had gotten into earlier, the assembly line when it comes to car manufacturers, coding, which would be painting, dispensing, material handling, material cutting, material removing, packaging, palletizing, and spot welding. Tony by Marker Shakur. This is the world's first robotic bar system. This would be an example of a domestic robot, and it would go under hospitality. You're able to create your own recipes with the Marker Shakur app, which you can get on iOS or Android devices. You can control each action with millimeter precision, visual feedback on each step of the production, and real-time consumption rates. So this will calculate the consumption rate and the production rate of each individual drink, which is actually pretty impressive. And then finally, you're able to enjoy the cocktail that has been created. This was created by Tony. The name of the product is Tony, and it's by Mark Shakur, and its first was released to the company in 2013. MARS. MARS is short for Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System. This would fall under a dangerous robot. These are combat-ready robots. They're unmanned ground vehicles. These are they're designed for surveillance and target acquisition. They can also be used to defuse bombs, and locate enemies. Mars keeps soldiers at a safe distance from the enemy fire while executing security missions. This is a great product because it is able to keep our soldiers safe, keep them at a safe distance while it's able to execute its job. The future of robotics. Excuse me. The future of robotics, artificial intelligence, which would be the ability to perform tasks that a human would do. Artificial intelligence pretty much is a computer system that has been made to do and perform the same tasks that a human being would do. Nanotechnology, this is branches of technology that deals with dimensions and tolerances of less than 100 nanometers, which manipulation of individual atoms. Ergonomics and safety improvements. This is completely eliminates the discomfort and the risk of injury due to work, so it would take some human jobs away. What I would like to get with the importance of robotics is robots help the medical field, robots help with the factory and in the industry, robots help the military, the robots help humans, and robotic technology will only be better with time. So as time goes on, robotics will continue to get better, to perform better, and it's just something that is very important. And it's important when it comes to the workplace because you have dangerous jobs, you have the military that needs certain robots, you have the factory and assembly that it would go a whole lot slower if a human being was pushing together certain pieces of metal. It's an important part of the world. Thank you.